In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on Display. Following that, tap on Brightness level over here and click on this gray switcher next to Automatic Brightness to switch it on or off. You can also go into Tab menu instead and manage adaptive brightness by tapping on this shortcut under Brightness slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!